Hey guys, so today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'll be doing a Yesstyle haul. It is getting colder and fall is coming. So I decided to pick up some stuff from Yesstyle just to prepare for the colder season. But let's open it up. We're gonna go through it together. It's kind of loud. I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's just start something small. Got this really banged up eyelash curler, and it's supposed to heat up, making my eyelash stay curled. We have that. So put this over here. All right, so next up I got is this sweater jacket. Normally when I buy stuff on Yesstyle, I will look at the reviews first, because sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not quite good. But this one seemed like it had a good review, and I got on this side. This is only one size. This is the sweater. I also tried on it and like insert it as well. And then it has a little logo on here, and it says, it has some weird, like, it's not like a word fully, it's just like a bunch of letters, I think. But yeah, it looks so cute. I can't wait to wear this. It looks very simple but very like preppy a little bit, very varsity. Got this purple cardigan. This is also one size as well. I feel like purple looks kind of good on me, which is why I got it. I don't have a lot of purple items. So it was really cute wearing like a white t-shirt and some jeans. Or just like with a dress too would be really pretty. The cardigan's pretty soft, and it's thin but not very thin. Next, this one is extra large, because I read on the reviews that if you want it to be a little bit more baggy, you need to like size up a lot. So I got the biggest size there is. But this one, I got this, it was because it was fleece lined. So I thought this would be pretty warm just to wear by itself or two places. Let me see if it's actually fleece lined. Okay. It is fleece lined, but it's pretty thin. Nice oversized, like slightly oversized, not very oversized on me. The inside layer is pretty soft. The outer layer is a bit not as soft. It's like slightly not soft. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not that soft. Next, okay, so I'm really excited for this item because I really wanted a nice jacket. I wanted the brown version of this jacket, but unfortunately it's not in stock when I bought it. I got this one instead, but I still like the black too. So this is in the size, before I forget, medium. Pretty oversized, I would say. Like it was just like a little, like an inch below my waist. Or not waist, my hips. But yeah, that's how I want it to be, because I want to layer it with like sweaters. So I thought there was like gonna be something on the sleeves, like a different design, but it's just completely black. I just would say it's like a pretty decent jacket. It'd be good for the fall, but the winter time I would think you would need to like add a bit more like a hoodie or a thicker sweater to wear this out by itself. Okay, so I got this skirt previously too before. It's the brown one, but I liked it so much I got it in black, a size bigger, but only because it was the only size left. But I don't mind it being bigger. I can just like make it smaller. It comes with belt too. The belt kind of looks like a diesel belt, but it's the logo faces the opposite direction, so you can tell it's like a fake belt. But I really like the skirt itself, so I don't mind pairing the skirt with a different belt that I have. But it's just like this flowy skirt, and I just love the material of it and everything, so I decided to get the black one too. Okay, next is this tank, and it's a one size, and I wanted something, I don't have that much lacy stuff, but I thought this was really cute, and I thought I could wear this underneath like a hoodie or a cardigan. I could, like, you know, dress it up or dress it down. It's like a nice basic to have. Okay, so I got a bolero in white. It's almost like a cream white actually, but I have a bolero that I got from Urban Outfitters that's white, but it's slowly getting gross because I wear it so many times with like dresses and stuff. So I decided to get a different one in the summer. I wore it a lot when I was in Singapore. Next item is a sweater, and I got this in a size medium. I really like how the color look. It looks so cute. Black and the white, like a retro vibe top. The only thing is that you can see they use like a tan string to sew the black side. Like on the top black and then on the bottom black too a little bit. I have this one in black, and so then I really wanted like a brown colored jeans, so I decided to get this in brown as well. It is a bit lighter color than what the brown that I thought it was going to be. Like I thought it would be a little slightly darker, but it's pretty light brown. Not too bad. I mean, it's still a brown jeans that I would wear. The pants is like slightly long, so I do have to cut the bottom a bit. But yeah, overall I really like these jeans. Lastly, I got this dress, and I feel like it's a nice dark color. It can be worn in the winter, fall time, corduroy dress, so it's gonna be like slightly warmer. I got this dress because I thought I really like the color of it. I really like the style of it. So and I really like long dresses too. So I decided to pick this up since I don't have that many long dresses. That's like casual. I can just wear like day to day, just on a nice day out. Alright guys, so that's the end of my haul. I hope you guys liked this video. I'll link everything down below in the description, and I'll also put my reward code down at the bottom so you guys can use it to take some percentage off of your order. I hope you guys are excited for fall like I am, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!